Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caren Hernandez, and in today's video, I'm actually going to do my take on classic makeup. So when I say classic makeup, I mean like 70s, 60s, like something very simple, but it makes a statement. Kind of like Audrey Hepburn, that kind of thing. And I'm actually going to show you a daytime and a nighttime. And you can simply switch that by changing your lip color. Update on my nails, they're still going strong. I'm going to be using this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead illuminating face oil that I used in my previous video. I did like it, and I am a pretty oily person in my T-zone and something like on my chin, but this doesn't feel oily at all. It feels more like serum-y. For my primer, I'm going to use this Dr. Brandt primer. This is the Pore Refiner primer that I really like. So if it looks like I just woke up, it's because I did like 20 minutes ago. It is a little early for me because during this whole quarantine thing, I have been getting up very late. I'm one of those people that is taking advantage of the opportunity to wake up late. And obviously I know that I can do that because I don't have children. I imagine once you have children, you have little alarms, but I don't have any. So today I'm going to be using this Fit Me foundation, the matte and poreless, and I'm going to use this one because I'm going to pair it with the Fit Me powder. I talked about that in my previous video. If you didn't watch it, go watch it, and I give you a review on this powder. And I want to see how it wears together. This foundation is very good. This is great coverage. I put these clips in to hold my hair back, and my hair is still managing to get on my face. For concealer, I'm going to be using this one. I also used it in my last video, and I'm going to, for a little bit more brightening, I'm going to mix in the L'Oreal Infallible. This is the LA Colors Conceal It Concealer. This is a good formula for those of you who have dry under eyes because it is not drying at all. It's actually quite hydrating but not oily. It's good for a natural concealer. And then on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of this one, mainly focusing it on the top parts. Wow, that mix of those two concealers is everything. Let me see if I can get close so you can see how like what pores. There is no pores. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, my face looks amazing. I'm now going to set my face with the Fit Me powder. I go in with this with a brush. So I'm actually not going to use highlighter today because I feel that a classic look was not highlighty. I think it was more matte, so I'm going to stick to that. And let me go ahead and bronze my face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using a mix between Hoola bronzer and this Wet n Wild contouring palette, the brown shade. First, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer, and that one I'm going to focus it more right here on the top upper part of my face because it is a little bit stronger and it's just going to give it a little more definition. You see it's stronger over here and then it's lighter over here. Same on this side. And then I just kind of knock off the excess. Well, do the same thing over here on your forehead. Apply the darker shade a little bit right here. And a little bit under my chin. I actually saw a makeup artist do that, so I just copied her. I actually don't know what that does, but I think it did something. Her name is Joanna, Amazing Beauty. Then I need to stop talking about her because this is the second video I do that. For nose contouring, I'm going to use the same powder, this one. I'm going to get a little bit of this lighter yellow color. Well, it's not yellow, but, and I'm going to put it right here. I have a video just dedicated to nose contour, so you can go check that out. I'm going to apply blush. For blush, I'm going to use the Ciate London blush. I've really been into this one again. This one is a little bit marbleized. Since I didn't use highlight, I think this will make me feel better. So I'm just going to smile and put that right on my apple of my cheek and then bring it up. For brows, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Brow Pomade that I tried out in my last video. And today I'm actually going to remember to go in with a lighter hand because I know how pigmented the product is. So I finished my eyebrows off camera, and honestly, I think they look really, really good. I think I did a better job this time than last time. But this product is amazing. You need to try it. I can't remember, but I want to say it was like $2, $3. I'm not exactly sure, but I will put it under and you can just go look for yourself. But I'm not like a huge fan of extreme ombre eyebrows. That's just not my thing. I rather them not have too much of a gradient, so I usually just make this little bitty part up here a little less strong than the end. I'm going to curl my lashes. So I've already put on mascara and curled my lashes, and I'm just letting them dry while I put on my eyeliner so they can be ready for false lashes. The false lashes I'm going to be wearing today are these. I got these on, they look wonky on here, but these are actually brand new. I got these on Amazon, and I can link them down below, so you can go try them. These are Foam Ink 3D Effect Natural and Soft Lashes. They're reusable 15 times plus. I'm actually going to use some that I've used quite a few times, so they are very reusable if you take care of them. And they are luxuriously lightweight is what it says on here. And I really like them. I got 3 pairs for $8, I believe, and they have lasted me a long time. I'm still on my second pair, and it's been probably over a month since I first got them. Okay, for liner, I'm going to be using this little tattoo liner. I don't have, this is the Kat Von D one. I have this mini. I can't remember where I got it. I think I got it for free at Sephora for something, but I don't have the big one. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous about this. This is already going bad. I think it looks okay right now. I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't want to go any thicker. Okay, I'm gonna stop there because I'm starting to make this one thicker and I need to stop. In my last Facebook Live, I mentioned this lash glue. This is the Magic Lash Adhesive. Let me bring it pretty close so y'all can see. The original Cat Complexion Atelier. I saw this one from a makeup artist, Amazing Beauty. She uses this one and she said she recommended it for clients. Obviously, I don't do makeup on people unless like my friends and stuff, but like for a profession, I don't. But I was struggling with lashes a lot. My problem with lashes is that I have watery eyes. So as soon as my eyes start watering, because the lashes, like the ends start coming off, start lifting. So if you are like me and you want a lash glue that is not lift your lashes are not going to lift at all. It dries really quick. This is also a Mexican brand, so support your Mexican brands. And it's honestly the best lash glue ever. And then I'm going to put glue on the lash band. The only thing I don't like about this is it is a squeezy. I would like if it was a brush. With that lash glue, it just makes everything easier. Then I'll go in over the lash band, just in case any of the glue is peeking through, and I will cover it with liner. As I mentioned to you guys, I'm going to show you two different lip options. First, I'm going to show you the nude lip. I'm going to use a LA Colors lip liner pencil in the shade Natural. And then for a nude lip, I'm going to be using this I Love Sada E times Color Pop. So this is the daytime, very classic, my opinion of classic look. So you guys let me know which one you prefer. I personally am this one. This is the Dose of Colors Date Night. And this is just a classic red. And for me, this is definitely for more of a bold look, but it is also very classic. I personally do not really use reds. They're very hard to work with. Ooh, this is pretty too. I like this as well. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed the take I took on classic makeup. I myself really like it, and it is very simple, but it definitely makes a statement. Let me know in the comments down below which look is your preference. If you like more a natural nude lip with this eye look, or if you prefer a bold red. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very excited because a lot of things are changing around here. Hopefully by next video we'll be in a different place. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the constant love and support on my channel. Remember, I do live videos once a week, every week on Facebook. So if you have a chance, I would love if you would join me in one of those. And I will see you guys next time.